If you've never seen this figure, which I hadn't, I want to show you. It also needs a small repair first. Here is the Wei Jiang NE-01 MPP36 Megamaster, aka Megatron. That was a mouthful. I love the ridiculous names that they come up with for these unlicensed products. My friend who collects Transformers has been holding out on me with this one. He's had this for a while, but now it's here because something broke. This is not the only one that I have in queue, so you might see a few more of these. I think this one's going to be quick and easy, and then I'll transform it and throw it up on the turntable. The funny part of this is, the piece that broke off was another waist flap. I don't know how he keeps doing it. Let's get into this. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this isn't quite broken like some of the other ones he left here. It's just not fixable if you don't have the right material. Over the years of transforming it repeatedly, the pin for the flap fell out. He would put it back in and it would just fall out again. Needless to say, the pin got lost, and now this is on my workbench. I tested a few different thicknesses of wire off camera, and the one that fit the best and provided the most tension was this green floral wire. It's pretty stiff and will provide some good rigidity when transforming. It also wasn't going to slip out of place. I made sure to snip it at an angle so it fit more snugly into the hole. And that's about it. Sorry for the anticlimactic repair. This one wasn't remotely as extensive as the giant robot repair. Again, this was more to show off this figure than anything else. So let's get to transforming this. These transformations are wild. I commend whoever designed these kits. These are so ridiculously intricate, more than any Hasbro Transformer I've ever transformed. Some of these pieces were difficult to get to. I even had to use some tools at points in time. This figure is fantastic, but also slightly frustrating, but overall fantastic. He does come with a lot of accessories, an energy mace, swappable chest plates, one with battle damage, and one with not the Decepticon logo, multiple faces, a sword, a pistol, and a helmet. Unfortunately, none of those made it here, so here's a picture. The other awesome thing that came with this figure was Laserbeak, and the fact that they made him the muzzle for his gun mode is such a great addition. If you want to get one of these for yourself, it's going to run you somewhere between $90 and $130. In my opinion, this thing is worth it. On that note, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.